everybody. Today is Thursday and I'm doing some projects, getting ready for this weekend's trip. First thing I'm doing is I pulled off the bumper. So let me go show you what everything looks like for paint. Alright, so bumper's off. What I'm going to be doing for the bumper is fixing up some of the welds, making sure everything's welded nice, grinding everything down, and then priming and painting. So that's what I'm going to be working on right now. After that, just get everything remounted. So, alright, here we go. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you liked the video. So I'm all done welding it up, the bumper. Just gonna grind away, rough sand it, and then get ready to put the first coat of primer on. Alright. Yeah, more work. Alright, bumper's all done. Grinded it, used the wire wheel on it to get some of the rust spots. And now I'm just going to use a degreaser and a cleaner on it. Get it all prepped. And then I'm going to put the first coat of primer down. And then I'm also going to paint the D-ring mounts and also the shackles. So, here we go. Alright, the primer, the first coat primer that I'm going to put down, I'm using this product called One Step Rust Converter. It's by Mojave. I got this off of paintscratch.com. Whereas also I got the color match colors for the Jeep. They pretty much color match almost every vehicle. So this basically converts rust to a black primer sealer. So any rust that I might have missed, this will take care of that, seal up the whole bumper. Ow! And then I'm going to put down a regular coat of primer before I put down the color. So step one. And also a pro tip, if you don't have any risers to put your item down on, just use the top of the paint can. That's what I'm doing. Alright, here we go. Let that dry and start painting the other items. Alright, I'm gonna let everything dry. Be back out later to put on some more coats. Alright, quick update. Everything's pretty much primered. I actually threw some color on the D-ring mounts. It's the first coat of color. Those are all primered. I'm going to throw some color on them. And the bumper. So the bumper is all pretty much primered. I'm going to put a coat down of textured finish of the AEV like kind of textured paint that I have. I'm going to put that coat down before I put color because I want kind of like a textured finish. And I think the black will help make the Mojave tan kind of be a little darker. Alright, so the next little update will be probably when it's all kind of painted and done. It's kind of boring watching paint dry, so I might show it on video. Alright, next update coming soon. Alright, so next update. The D-ring mounts and the shackles, they've been painted now with the Mojave tan and clear coated, so those are drying. The bumper is now gotten 2 coats of the AEV texture paint. So next I'm waiting for that to dry and then I'm gonna put the color on. It's 3:15. Got about 3 hours before I have to leave for work and get this all mounted back on. So what's going on, everybody? Alright, so flash forward like about a week and I'm still working on painting the front bumper and everything. So the issue I had was I ran out of paint, and the place I get it from is in California and it gets shipped ground. So by the time I ordered it, shipped it, finally came in last night. So started painting a little bit and just gonna throw down some more coats on the bumper. I'll show you what it looks like, and hopefully I'm gonna put the bumper on tonight, but they're saying thunder showers later. I really don't want it to sit on tonight and then get rained on all night, so I'm probably gonna throw it on tomorrow. So another couple days. So let me show you what it looks like right now. I think it's coming out pretty good, and I'm just gonna keep throwing down some coats. Alright, what's up everybody? Happy Front End Friday. I'm going to try and complete the bumper project today. And it poured last night and it's like 60 degrees and it feels like November. Wow, the season's changed. Alright, so I'm going to do some pre-assembly on some stuff. I'll show you what I'm doing. And then we're going to do a full assembly on the front bumper and get this project done. So here we go. Alright, so before I put the bumper on in front of the Jeep, I'm going to do some pre-assembly. I'm going to put the license plate on, and I'm going to put the KC lights on, get all that on, and then we'll put the bumper on. So that's the plan. Not to jinx myself, but so far it's going pretty good. Alright, so Rather than film it, I just prepped the whole front bumper. I took off the Fairlead plate and the Factor 5.5 Pro Link, got everything ready, got all my tools laid out, so everything's ready to go, and we're going to put on the front bumper. Alright, the tricky part, trying to put everything together without scratching everything I've just done. So we're going to take it nice and slow, and that's it. Just be careful. Bolts are on. I didn't really mark it up too bad. Might have to touch up a couple areas, but I'm going to install the Fairlead now, and then that should be it. We're almost there. Fairlead's on. Oh, I think my back hurts. Oh, looks sweet. I think that is a done front bumper. Alright, so the bumper is all done and I am super stoked. I think it came out great. Yeah, so it took about an hour to put everything back on, maybe a little longer than an hour. I was trying to take my time. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button, comment below if you have any questions on the setup. I will link most of the stuff, parts that I used, and subscribe to our channel, follow along. Couple of things, I'm going to be doing a KC Lights install for under the hood, so I can get light at nighttime, so I can see under the hood. That's coming up, and then next week I'll actually be going down to North Carolina to, I think it's pronounced Uhari National Park, and going to the Jeep Jamboree. So 2 days of four-wheeling. Myself and another friend who has a Jeep will be going down there. So I'm going to videotape that and tell you what I think about the Jamboree experience. So, alright, stay tuned for more and have a great day.